Hi. If you're not sure if the Make Him Worship You program is the right choice for you, this is the place to be. Please turn off all the distractions and pay close attention to this short yet crucial presentation because it will tell you everything you need to know about the Make Him Worship You program, and it will help you make the final decision. Ready? Let's go. Welcome to the Make Him Worship You in-depth review. I'm John, and I'll give my best to provide you with as much info as possible about the Make Him Worship You program. We will cover the following. Is Make Him Worship You a scam? What to expect from this program? What you will get? What's included in the Make Him Worship You program? Who is the creator of this program, and what can you learn from him? What do you need to make this program work? How to try it for yourself? What to do if this program isn't working for you? Is your personal info safe? And more. So let's start with the most important thing you should know. Is Make Him Worship You a scam? To put it plain and simple, no. None of Michael Fiore's programs are a scam, so you can rest assured that your investment is safe. This is a digital product that will be available to you as soon as you complete the payment. Michael is an internationally famous relationship expert, so there's not even the slightest chance that you won't get what you're promised. So to conclude, the Michael Fiore Make Him Worship You program is not a scam. It's a legitimate relationship program that will help you have the relationship you always dreamed of. What to expect from this program? If you're ready to invest in this program, you are going to discover the absolute truth about men and what they actually expect from a woman. Learn simple yet very powerful tricks, tips, and techniques that will make him ultimately focus on you and only you. Find out how to relax and be carefree, knowing that he's not going to leave you for any other woman. Being able to let yourself fall completely in love, knowing that he's not going to lose interest for a month or two. Feel for the first time in your life how it looks like being truly loved and adored by the man you love. Experience how it feels to be safe, adored, and wanted by him. See for yourself what it looks like to be his absolute priority in life. Become his crazy sexual obsession and making him not be able to leave you alone. What will you get once you download the Make Him Worship You program? Once you complete the purchase on this page, you will get instant access to everything. Some of the techniques that are waiting for you are the secret emotional life of men. Why is it so hard for men to tell how they truly feel? With this technique, you will finally be able to penetrate his emotional shield and make him open up his heart. He will become completely vulnerable, just with you, and this can be achieved by using 4 simple words that you will learn in this program. The crisis of masculinity. This technique will give you radar, like sense, to detect and attract a strong, powerful man in your life. This can be extremely useful since it's harder and harder to find a real man. Unleash his inner caveman. This is especially important if you are tired of being a man in your love life, always having to initiate everything from phone calls to sex. Here you learn how to boost his testosterone using nothing but your fingernails, awakening in him a real caveman. However, be aware that using this technique will drastically increase the quality of your sex life. Primal provider drive. Are you sick and tired of his lack of ambition? You'll discover how to activate his primal provider drive and get him off his lazy butt. Once you use this technique, he will give in all his power to become a man worthy of your admiration and respect. The master male emotion. Do you know what is the only male feeling that he's allowed to feel? You will not only learn what it is, but how to use it to your advantage, making your relationship thrive. The man-melting hug. Not every hug is equal. Do this wrong and he'll see you as a friend or even sister. However, when the hug is performed right, you will unleash your feminine softness, demonstrating to him that you are the right person for him. Seduction words and phrases. Too worried that he'll get bored with you? Learn how to seduce him over and over again, using these proven and psychologically tested seduction words. Once you master them, you'll rewire his brain, making him more committed and loyal than ever. The anger deflator technique. Many relationships have been destroyed in the heat of a fight. This technique will teach you how to keep control over the situation and how to control his anger. The one poisonous question. This question can only destroy your relationship, so be sure to memorize it and never ask it of a man. Even if it might look like it's not a big deal, it will end your relationship if you're not careful. Masculine shame. Fundamental techniques when it comes to increasing his confidence and making him feel like a king of the world. This is very important because if you are able to make him feel this good, he will never leave or cheat on you. The hypnotic kiss technique. How to use the power of your kiss to make you the one and only woman in his life. This technique will make him disgusted just thinking about kissing and being with any other woman beside you. The future fantasy method. The best way to keep him for life is make him plan your life together. There is no more powerful thing than seeing the two of you growing old in his mind. Important. Don't do this if you don't want him obsessed with you. What it means when he can't perform. Hint, it's not about you and has nothing to do with him not being attracted to you anymore. Also, you'll learn how to destroy this blockade and have fantastic love all night long. What men really want from women. If you've ever wanted to know the secret that not a single man would tell you, this is it. You'll discover what they want from women and why they can't tell you no matter what. Masculine sex signals. Want to make him more active when it comes to seducing you and fighting for your love and attention? Once you apply these signals, you'll awake the true warrior inside him, and you'll be his only object to conquer, over and over again. The shields down method. Ever tried to criticize a guy? Now you have the opportunity how to do it right, lowering his shields and making him able to hear and understand your words. Even more, he'll be thankful that you are making him a better man. How to give him permission to cry. How to crack his emotional shield and show him that it's okay to be emotionally open. Also, you'll learn how to make him insist you two spend more time, and he will not only call you when he wants sex, but he will want to spend all his free time with you. How to never again be taken for granted and how to never again feel unappreciated. How to make him brag about you to all his friends and family. How to make him feel proud for being your man, and much, much more. However, this is not all. If you order this amazing program today, you'll also get bonus guide number 1, When to Sleep with a Man. This guide will give you the answer to the most prominent dating question of all time. When is too soon to sleep with a man? As you know, if you don't do this right, you will become just sex. However, if you make him wait too long, he'll lose interest and pull away. Be sure to check this guide twice. Bonus number 2, Unstoppable Confidence. This bonus is nothing less than an exclusive 90 minutes long conversation between Michael Fiore and Michael Griswold. This bonus track will show you how to use the power of your feminine vulnerability and make it your biggest ally when it comes to getting the man you want and deserve. Bonus guide number 3, The Good Girl's Guide to Texting Dirty. In this guide, you'll get a ton of pre-done texts that are based on male psychology, driving him crazy in just a few seconds. This bonus guide will help you stay away from boring messages and texting while keeping your relationship fresh and spicy. How to try make him worship you immediately. Now, if you want to try this unusual yet amazing program, all you need to do is click on Get Instant Access. Enter your payment and information and get instant access to everything. Since this is a digital product, there's no waiting for delivery. You will get everything instantly. And here's the best part. You're entirely covered with the 60-day money-back guarantee. That means if you don't find this course useful, all you need to do is contact support and you will get your funds back, no questions asked. What this means is you can download this program now, try it for yourself, and if it's not working as it's supposed to, you'll get your money back instantly. Sound too simple? Because it is. Michael is so confident that his program will do wonders for your love life, he's promising you a full 60-day money-back guarantee. Will this program work for you? The only way to find out if the Make Him Worship will work for you is to try it for yourself. But keep one thing in mind, you need to follow instructions and apply learned techniques. So download it, go through it, and apply the techniques you learned. On the other hand, if you can manage to make this program work for you, all you need to do is ask for a refund. So your investment is entirely safe. Is your personal information safe? Yes, Michael uses ClickBank as his payment processor and encrypted web form, so your info and credit card information is completely safe. ClickBank is an internet retailer with over 15 years of experience in digital payment processing, so you are entirely safe. Your next step, give Make Him Worship You a chance. As you can see, you can gain a lot from this program and have nothing to lose. No risk. Your investment is completely safe. Now it's up to you. You need to take this final step and try it for yourself. Ready to be amazed? Ready to bring your love life to another level? Ready to experience something you thought doesn't exist? Now's your time. Click on the link below and get instant access to everything.